Today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we visit one of the most wonderfully weird places I've ever been, House on the Rock.
So, where are we going today?
Going to the House on the Rock.
Welcome to the Rock. Okay, what is the House on the Rock?
House on the Rock is just this kooky, amazing art installation of a house. And the world's biggest carousel is inside of it, and it's just dripping with jewels and chandeliers. And
So the world's biggest carousel is in the middle of rural Wisconsin.
inside a house.
Inside a house.
Yeah.
Okay.
And much more. I hear it's a photographer's nightmare because you don't even know where to put your camera because there's so much to look at.
Wow. Okay.
I am really excited. This is going to be fun for us.
Sounds kooky.
Yeah. All right, let's go. House on the Rock is located in Spring Green, Wisconsin, a few miles down the road from Taliesin, the house of Frank Lloyd Wright. There's no real great view of the house's exterior because it's covered by trees. In 1960, Alex Jordan built his dream home atop a giant rock. Room after room is filled with unique art and solid rock walls. There are hidden grottos and music machines. The most extraordinary part about this house is the infinity room. It's 218 feet and has 3,264 windows. It extends out over the beautiful Wisconsin countryside and is totally unsupported. The home is a brilliant piece of architecture that alone deserves a visit, but Alex Jordan, the artist and collector of collections, kept expanding over the years, and that's where the awe-inspiring turns fantastically kooky dukes.
Honest with his, he'll probably get more when he needs them. I don't know if Alex.
Are you never gonna forget this?
I'm never gonna forget this.
Having lunch on the rock after seeing the house on the rock. Alex, what did you think of the house? Yeah?
Good.
Was it really fun? Did you have a favorite part of the house?
What was it?
Marco, did you like the house?
Yes, a lot.
What was your favorite part?
Maybe the carousel.
The carousel. Mine too.
Mine too.
Yours too?
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodle Bug goes next.